Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is oxytocin. Oxytocin is actually known as love hormone also, and it is secreted by pituitary gland. Now, this is an important point. It is secreted by pituitary gland, but the question we have to ask is whether it is produced also by the pituitary gland. However, it can also be chemically manufactured and sold by pharma companies for use during childbirth. Now, why is this important during childbirth? That is the point that you have to know. So, it helps in contracting the uterus, which helps in delivery and normal delivery instead of a cesarean delivery, wherein you have to operate upon the lady for childbirth. So, this oxytocin will induce this uterus contraction and thereby control the bleeding. So, it will also promote the release of breast milk. Therefore, it is very important during early years of life and also to prevent maternal deaths. However, there are various reasons for trying to ban this, and there is also a Supreme Court hearing that is pending on the issue. So, the major reason cited was the misuse in the dairy industry. So, since this is a naturally occurring hormone and it causes uterine contractions during labor, the drug has been misused in the dairy industry to ensure that uh, the farmers get milk in a time that is convenient to them, and it also increases the productivity and profits. Similarly, oxytocin has also been used in agriculture also. What is the purpose? To increase the size of vegetables like pumpkins, watermelons, eggplants, etc. Now let us have a look at this question. Oxytocin is misused in the dairy industry where livestock is injected with oxytocin to make them release milk at a time convenient to farmers. We have already discussed this, and this statement is right. Second statement, it is not found naturally in humans. This is false. So therefore, 1 is the answer. Why is this false? Because it is naturally found in women and helps them during childbirth also. Now that's it for this video. Please stay tuned for more such videos.